how does it feel if you're able to make money online just with the press of a button? You can make $2, you can make $10, you can make even up to $100 in just a press of a button. So in today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you 5 apps that pays you for watching video online. This app has been there since all this while and people don't know about this app, so I'm going to be revealing this app to you so you can start making money using this app to watch video online. And even if you watch this video today, and I'm going to giving you also tips to even maximize your earning using these apps. And even at the end of this video, I'm also going to give you a bonus and a gift to earn even more money daily online. So but before we dive into that, please subscribe to all my channels, turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you get notified. So thank you for doing that. I appreciate you all. So now let's move on into today's video. The first app I'm going to show you is called Fischer Point. So this is already Fischer Point. As you can see here, the money your earnings here, you can withdraw it with either PayPal. You can also get Amazon gift card or also Xbox gift card. And even if you want buy, you can withdraw it to your bank account, or you can withdraw it with Paydays and so on and so forth. So now this is already FischerPoint.com. You can also download it to your phone, and you can also use this app with on your desktop or on your laptop. So this is how this app looks like. Okay, you can do different type of offers here, but the most paid offer on this apps is watching videos. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you some tips that you can even use to maximize your earning by watching videos. There are different things to win here and to also earn points by doing that. So to sign up, all you just need to do is go up here and click up the sign up button, and it's going to bring you to this place. You just need to enter your email address and confirm that you are not a robot, and you can continue. Or the easiest way, you can also sign up with your Apple or with your Facebook account or with your Google. You can easily sign up also with your Google. So when you sign in, it's going to look like this. Okay, this is already my account. As you can see, there are different type of things to win here. Okay, as you can see, you can win up to 63,000 points, and also there are different type of surveys on. There are different type of surveys here that you can also do to earn points. Okay, so like I will tell you, the tip I want to show you is that you can open different type of browser to watch different type of videos, okay, at the same time. And if you can also do that if you have more devices, I mean with other laptop and tablet and smartphone at the same time, you can open them on each of these devices and watch video. You just need to leave it to play at the background. Even if you don't watch it, you're still going to earn money for doing that. So this is the first step I'm going to show you. Now this tricks also works with the second app, which is called app Nana. You can download it to your either iOS or Android. Okay, so if you want to download it to your Android, you just go to Google Play and you can install it to your app and to your device and start using this app to earn money watching videos online. Okay, the point you're going to be earning here is called Nana. So you're going to earn Nana, and you can change this Nana to dollar after at the end. Okay, so the third app is called My Point. This is already mypoint.com. Okay, you can also do the same thing here. You can also, they have other offers here. Also they have a cashback, so you can earn points by shopping at your favorite store. So they have different type of offers here also, but the most paying offers on this app, like the other one, is watching video. So, and you can also get paid by answering surveys. So there are different type of big companies there that want to make the company to go more further. I mean to grow to grow more. So they came to this company here, mypoint.com, to create surveys to make people, show them what they need to do better in their service and in their products, and to make them grow more. So these people are the ones that are going to be paying for these surveys you're going to be doing. And After that, you can redeem your points, like I said, with for gift card and many more on this app. So this is the third app. Now let's go to the fourth app. It's called App Trailer. So this is already apptrailer.com. You can see it on Google Play. You can download it to your Android, or you can download it to your iOS device. It also works like the other ones. As you can see here, you can watch video and earn money for that. So once again, the tip I'm going to tell you is that to open, when you're watching video, open different type of this app on different type of devices you have, and try to open different type of web. Like if you use, I always use Chrome, and it's a very secure browser, so you can open like at least up to 5 browsers and start watching videos there to maximize your earning using this app. So this is number 4. Now we go to the 5th app, which is called Creation Reward. So this is already Creation Reward. Why I like this one is that you are going to get $5 for signing up. So you're going to get $5 bonus at the beginning to sign up. It is very easy to register. You just need to enter your email address and confirm it, and you can start using creationrewards.net. So as you can see, they have paid surveys there. You can but this is what I will not advise you to do the paid survey on this website. I think they are now renewing their website, so now I think it's even better than before, but they pay less on their paid survey. So it's like a little bit of wasting of time. So but if you want to earn more money, it's better you just try. It's better you go for the watch video. Okay, when you watch video here, you can open, like I say, different type of browser and keep watch video with that. Even if you don't watch the video, you can leave it to play at the background, and at the end you earn money for that. Okay guys, so you can also browse website, or you can also earn money with cashback on online shopping, and you can also complete special offer. So I'm gonna recommend for you guys. And even if you want to earn even more, or double or triple more money, you just need to refer friends to these apps, and with your referral link, when they click on it, you're going to earn more money. Okay, you're also going to earn more points on every offers those people do on this app. Okay, those people signing up with your referral link. So this is how you can maximize your earning by using these 5 apps. As you can see, this last one here, they are out there since 2000, since year 2000, and they've been rewarding all their members since 21 years ago. So to join, you just need to click on register, and you can sign up. You can register, and it is very easy to register. Just to enter your email, and you can then start using this app. So if you think today's method is too difficult for you and you want a easy done for you method, I would highly recommend to you to check out the link in this video description below and click on that. You will land on this page here. You will land on this Monster Mode 700k auto commission system. This is the auto commission system that will enable you to make $500 a day on Autopilot. You don't need to do any work. Once again, it's already done for you software. All you just need to do is to set it up one time and start earning money on Autopilot. This is 100% done for you software. We'll walk you through how to set this up yourself and start earning money on daily basis. This is one of the insane software I've seen, and people are making good amount of money using this software. As you can see, over $74,000 here, and over $11,000 here, and so on, even up to $95,000 per month. This is what you can make using this platform. So all you just need to do is to set this up in 3 steps. Everything will be shown to you how to set it up yourself, and you can start making money on Autopilot. So make sure you check the link in the description. I'm going to leave the links in this video description. Make sure you go click on it, and after that I will see you on the other side. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.